Hi guys, it's me Gwen. So, for today's video, we are tasked to choose a stuff that we are always using. So, I choose... Ay, hala, lobat na ako. Nasaan yung charger ko? Wait. Hala, nag-run out. Nasaan yung power bank?
A few inches later.
Hello again guys. So, the stuff that I choose is power bank. Yes po. Kasi taga Mindoro po ako.
Okay.
So, bakit power bank? Sa mga taga Mindoro dyan, alam na alam nyo po kung bakit. Kasi, medyo madalas mag-brownout sa amin.
Pwede na!
So, in this vlog, I will discuss the production to disposal of this stuff as well as the impact to the environment, people, and economy. So, here's the clip of production. What is the impact of power bank to the environment? Owning a personal power bank might seem convenient, but the environmental cost is often overlooked. Manufacturing and packaging and the disposal of batteries contribute to e-waste. So what about the impact of power bank to the people? The primary benefit of portable power bank is their ability to provide stable power in times of need. So perfect example dito is the brownout. So, aminin man natin sa hindi, kapag lowbat tayo, tapos brown out, or nasa labas tayo, is nahihirapan talaga tayo, and hindi talaga natin kaya. Kaya, big help talaga si power bank, lalo na din kapag may bagyo, kasi minsan, ilang araw bago bumalik yung kuryente, ganoon din kapag nagka-travel tayo. Kasi may, kunyari nasa jeep tayo, hindi tayo makakapag-charge doon. So, kapag may power bank, easy siyang dalhin kahit saan. Kaya, big help talaga siya para sa akin, and yun, the impact of power bank to the economy. Increasing the demand for smartphones and other electronic devices is expected to fuel the demand for power bank. Now let's proceed to the limitations of power bank. Overheating. If it not used properly, power bank can overheat. Second is bulky and heavy. Power banks can be bulky and heavy, making them less comfortable they should be. So, itong power bank ko medyo mabigat siya, pero komportable pa rin naman dalhin kahit saan. So, bad quality of power banks. So guys, mag-ingat kayo sa mga bibili yung power banks. Make sure talaga na hindi siya nakakasira ng gadgets. So, power banks can cause damage to your phone batteries and charger port. So guys, if you're planning talaga, is piliin nyo talaga yung may quality product. Kasi minsan, we're into ano talaga sa prices. Pero, may ano po yun, may consequences na baka bad quality yung power bank na yon. So, imbis na makatulong is masira nyo pa yung gamit nyo. So, what is the life of power bank? So, hanggang gaano ba siya tatagal? Gaano katagal? So, based on my research on Google, nag-search ako if ipa-proper care nyo talaga yung power bank, pwede siyang tumagal ng 2 to 3 years. How to dispose the power bank? Siyempre, kapag nasira na po yung ating mga power banks, hindi po natin siya pwedeng itapon lang kung saan. So, nag-search po ako kung saan po siya dapat itapon or ilagay kapag sira na. So, ang sabi po, look for electronic recycling centers or drop-off locations in your area. These facilities will properly handle the disposal of the power bank. So, power banks contain lithium-ion batteries, which can be hazard use if not disposed properly. So, do not throw them in regular trash. So, this power bank, I bought this 6 months ago kasi lagi pong brownout sa amin. So, nung time na yon is schedule po ako at ang dami pong activities, research na pinapapasa. So, madalas po yung brownout inaabot ng magdamag. So, syempre may deadline po kaya kailangan, tas nalolobat ako, edi hindi po ako nakakapagpasa minsan, kaya ayun. Bumili na lang din po ako nitong power bank. And isa pa po, may nagustuhan pa talaga ako dito. May ano siya. May flash. Kaya, for me, it is really a big help. Lalo na sa akin estudyante, nadadala ko siya kung saan. So, very convenient po talaga ang pag-use nito. Yun lang, thank you!